Hannah's Kitchen culinary programming at Newark Beth Israel Medical Center is a real labor of love for us. The program started with funding from the Hannah Pretzman Breen Foundation in 2016, and we've been doing kids culinary programs for ages 2 to 12 ever since. It's a really great opportunity for kids of all ages to engage in healthy food. It gives our littlest ones the opportunity to taste new foods, explore new fruits and vegetables, new textures, and our oldest ones, the class that we're going to be doing here today at our wellness center, they learn knife skills, they learn kitchen skills, kitchen safety, all of the things that are going to make them independent young chefs, and we're hoping really to foster a love of food among these kids.
So my role as a dietitian is I plan the recipes for Hannah's Kitchen, which is our cooking classes for children in the communities around Newark. I listen to what they want to make, and I try to make healthy recipes for them.
We're so excited to have the Rutgers University football players here today at Hannah's Kitchen in our cooking class. It's really nice, I think, for kids to be able to see role models, and these guys are obviously embodying health and wellness. They're putting it into practice every day in their athletic career.
These two teammates in particular grew up in Newark, so it just shows the kids that there's something more outside of Newark.
Came from around here, you know, I see the kids here. I want to help the kids. So yeah, it definitely takes me back. You know, as a kid once, you know, I'll be eating a lot of junk food and stuff like that, but these kids are eating healthy, smoothies, that's great. So my experience today with the kids was great. We made smoothies, we had a competition.
So we're gonna split up into two groups and we're gonna think of our team name together.
My experience with the kids, it was fun. Like being with the little kids and being able to, they cook better than my Shaquan. So being with them, it was fun to experience and actually make a smoothie. A little bit more.
The most rewarding aspects about teaching kids about nutrition and cooking would be when they come back to me and they tell me that they're making this stuff at home, they're sending me pictures. I have parents emailing me pictures of their kids, you know, cooking on the stove, which is really, really good to hear.
I think it's extremely important for kids in underserved communities to have access to this type of programming. We work really hard in the health equity space here at Newark Beth Israel and at RWJBarnabas Health to make sure that all of our children are really set up on an equal playing field. So having access to this type of programming really sets kids up for a healthier future.
Smoothie!